టు చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్. వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా మన చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్ ఈ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో ఈ వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ కూడా షేర్ చేసి మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా, సో మీరు కంపల్సరీ మీరు చూసిన ప్రతి వీడియోను కూడా, మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి వీడియోను కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు షేర్ చేయండి. కంపల్సరీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. సో ఎక్కువ మంది సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అయితే సో మన ఛానల్ కూడా బూస్టింగ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పటివరకు మంచి సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు. ఈ సపోర్ట్ని ఇలాగే కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. ఈ ఛానల్కి సపోర్ట్ చేసిన అందరికీ కూడా వెరీ వెరీ థ్యాంక్స్. We discuss next question. If matrices of A and matrices of given two matrices, find the matrix of X. The condition is A plus B minus X equal to 0. And next question is, what is the order of the matrix of X? So then what is the given condition is, given that A plus B minus of X equal to 0. Okay, then minus X can be written as here, the sign should be changed, so that means it is equal to positive value. Then finally we have to write X equal to A plus B. So adding the two matrices of A and B, you will get the matrix X matrix X. So before adding the two matrices, first we verify the condition. So if you are adding the two matrices, it must be having the same order. See here, the matrices of A is order is 2 rows and 3 columns. So then the order of matrices is equal to 2 by 3. Similarly, it is also 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of matrices of B equal to 2 by 3. So then both A and B matrices are having the same order. So then X equal to the matrix of A equal to 2 3 1 and 6 minus 1 5 plus matrix of B 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 and 3. So adding the corresponding elements, 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 and 3 plus 2 and 1 plus into minus minus 1. Next adding the corresponding elements of 6 plus 0 minus 1 plus into minus minus 1, then 5 plus 3. It is equal to X equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 1 minus 1 0, then 6 minus 2 8. It is the required matrices of X. So what is the second question? What is the order of the matrix of X? So then calculate the order of the matrix X. Order of matrix X equal to, what is the matrix X equal to 3 5 0 6 minus 2 8. Then you have to calculate. So 2 rows and 3 columns, so that means 2 by 3. So then what is the order of the matrix of X equal to 2 by 3. We discuss the next question. The matrices of A is given and B matrices given one condition 2x plus A equal to B, then find the X matrices. So take the given condition. Given that, what is the condition is 2x plus A equal to B. Write 2x value, 2x equal to plus A can be written as here, the sign should be changed. So then you can write B minus A. First find the 2x value. 2x equal to matrices of B equal to 3 8 and 7 2 minus of the matrices of A equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Next 2x equal to, subtract of the corresponding elements. So then 3 minus of 1 8 minus of 2. Next 7 minus of 3 and 2 minus of 4. So then 2x equal to 3 minus 1 2, 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 3 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. But what is the value is 2x value, but he asking find the x value. So then x equal to, x can be written as 2 can be written as here, that is equal to 1 by 2 into matrices of 2 6 4 minus 2. According to the definition of the scalar multiple of the matrices is every element should be multiplied by 1 by 2. So then it is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into 6, next 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 2 into minus 2. Okay, according to the definition of the scalar multiple. So then x equal to 2 both are gets cancelled. So then first element is 1, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, then 3, then 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, then 2 both are gets cancelled, what will get? Minus 1. So then it is the required matrices x equal to 1 3 2 minus 1. What is the order of the matrix of x equal to? So 2 rows and 2 columns. So that means the order of the matrices of x equal to 2 by 2. We discussed the last question for this exercise. So here it is very important question. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are defined by Aij equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. See here, before solving this question, first we discuss some concept of Aij. What is the meaning of Aij? Aij means A is the element of ith row and jth column. So A is the element of ith row and jth column. So let's take some examples. See here, 1 2 3 4. See here, 1 is the element of the first row and first column. Let's see, 1 is the element of the first row and first column. What is the element of 2 is? The 2 is the element of 2 is the first row and second column. Then 3 is the element of the second row and first column. 4 is the element of the second row and second column. Similarly, take one more example, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. See here, A is the A11 means, what is the means of A11? A11 means A is the element of the first row and first column. So let's see, A is the element of the first row and first column. So that is why it is denoted by A11. A11 means A is the element of the first row and first column. Let's see, A12. What is the meaning of A12 means? A is the element of first row and second column. See here, it is the first row, it is the second column. So A12 is the element of the first row and second column. And A13, A is the element of the first row and third column. It is also A21. A21 means A is the element of the second row and first column. So that is why A21. A22 means it is the element of the second row and second column. A23 is the A is the element of the second row and third column. So that means Aij means ith row and jth column. A is the element of I row and j column. So it is the meaning of Ij. Okay, it is clear. Next, construct a 3 by 2 matrix. So I will take the matrices of A equal to, we have to construct 3 by 2 matrices. 3 by 2 matrices means 3 rows and 2 columns. I will take the elements A11, A12, next A21, A22 and A31, A32. Already we know that what is the meaning of A11, A12 and A31, A32. Okay, next, given condition, given Aij equal to, I means rows, j means columns, it is equal to 1 by 2 into I minus of 3j. See here, what is the I values are? I values means row values. What are the row value? Equal to 1 and 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So that means I values are 1, 2, 3. These are the rows. Next j value is equal to columns. What are the column equal to 1 1 1 2 2 2, so that means j value equal to 1 comma 2. Okay, find this element. We have to find a11 element. What is the a11 element? Means I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So then you can substitute. So 1 by 2 into modulus of I what is the I value equal to 1 minus 3 into j value is also 1. It is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of 1 minus of 3. So 1 by 2 equal to mod of minus 2. So always mod values gives the positive value. Minus 2 can be written as 2. Then 2 both are gets cancelled. It is equal to 1. What is the a11 value equal to 1? You will get the first element. Similarly find a12. a12 equal to I value equal to 1, j value equal to 2. Then you can substitute 1 by 2 into I minus of 3j. 1 minus of 3 into 2. It is equal to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 minus 6. Mod of minus 5. It is equal to, directly have to write 5 by 2. It is the value of a12. Next a13. a21 sorry, a21. I value equal to 2, j value equal to 1. So then 1 by 2 into mod of 2 minus of 3 into 1. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus of 3. It is equal to, directly have to write 1 by 2. Next a22. a22 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 2 minus of 3 into 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus of 6. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Then a22 value equal to 2. I will write here a31. a31 means 1 by 2 into I value equal to 3 minus of 3 into 1. So then 0 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 0. Next a32. 1 by 2 into I value equal to 3 minus of 3j. 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. So mod of minus 3. Mod of minus 3 means finally you can write 3 by 2. These are the elements. All elements you can substitute in the matrices of A. So then matrices of A equal to a11. What is the a11 value equal to 1? Next a12. a12 value equal to 5 by 2. Next a21. 21 value equal to 1 by 2. a22 value equal to 2. Next a31 equal to 0 and a32 equal to 3 by 2. It is the order of the matrices equal to 3 by 2. So then it is our required matrices of A equal to this one. It is very very important. సో దీంతో మనకు ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ టోటల్గా కంప్లీట్ అయ్యింది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చాప్టర్ మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మరియు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రెండు కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేశాము. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కన్నా ముందు దాని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ నేర్చుకొని నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికి షేర్ చేయండి. సో ఛానల్కి సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అందరూ కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు ఈ వీడియోని షేర్ చేసి వాళ్ళు కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అయ్యేటట్టు చూసి ఛానల్కు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.